I'm here in Anchorage, Alaska, riding along with Sergeant Allen. It's been an interesting experience, to say the least. We first went to a tent encampment, and then even just right now, gentleman fell down, passed out.
3137 East 19th Court. Process is going to be Columbine downtown.
And this is the issue here. As you can see,
looks like nothing. What are you doing down there, partner? Here, hell, drop it. Come on, jump up.
we kind of speechless of just the amazement in what's going on. You have people that are serious homeless and alcohol problem, and the city's doing the best they can.